Alright, what's up? Today we're gonna be playing public servers and Animal Company. Right, let's get into it.
Don't want obesity. Guys!
Let's go!
Take that. You up there? Guys!
Guys, join the code, Bro, I'm glad they made it more expensive to buy shop.
Yo guys, give me money guys. I'm rich.
Bro, stop trying to shoot me!
Oh la la! Guys, I'm
Yeah.
Guys,
Can Animal Company?
I bought a bunch of iPads!
guys, look
Me.
at these!
They're not,
but let's take some!
I bought
Guys, look at my money! Wow!
Just give me my money.
Bro,
Give me my money.
Why does it make a
Twins.
can
Hi,
open noise?
how do you have that boy? I don't need this.
me and him are both twins.
Yo, let's throw some people with shotguns.
Both got 205 money.
What?
I need to write him off
What?
for them for buying iPads.
Wait,
too many
can I
iPads.
throw with
Wait,
you?
wait, wait.
Everyone in the server has a shotgun, bro.
No, how much money you have?
Guys, can somebody tell me how to get
Everybody in the server,
server?
try and join. Okay, guys, come on.
Bro, are you okay? No, you get me.
Oh.
Can somebody?
Does anybody want to learn how to get out of the map?
Hey!
Hey, back up! Hey, how much money do you have?
Yo, what is more worth it? In the packages?
Or just normal?
Yellow, where are you? That's the chicken. I'm gonna go get myself a gun from somewhere where y'all don't know. Code, everybody fucking join the code. Yo guys, I know where there's free guns.
1207. 1207.
Everybody, join the code 1207. Everybody, 1207. 1207. 1207. Join the code 1207.
What?
Join the code 1207. 1207.
Why the hell are we here? Is there a modded APK in the server? Let me check on that fact real quick. Modded APK. Hey, I'm checking if there's a modded APK real quick. I'm just checking if there's a modded APK.
Chat.
I'm just checking if there's a modded APK.
Yeah, I'm in that chat.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. No, you stupid idiot! You killed me! What are you?
Come on, get ready.
Why was I summoned
Guys,
this?
get ready. We're gonna go.
Okay, we're gonna go. I got my double shot. You always. That's all.
People are in here.
I got my shotguns.
I got my shotguns.
Yeah, bro. Let's get headed.
Guys, come on, let's go.
I have no clue where we're going. I got here.
Somebody's gotta have a light, though. Somebody's gotta have a light.
Guys, come out here, come.
Guys, somebody's gotta have a light. Somebody's gotta have a light.
Can I get a shotgun? I need
Yeah,
one.
I just dropped 2 shotguns.
Okay, buddy. Pink. Somebody needs a big chungus light. No. You need big chungus lights. Bro. Come on, guys.